Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Itslovelypink here again, and I have another unboxing video for you guys today. And this one is something that I'm really excited about too. Well, let's just say that I'm always excited for unboxing videos because that means I got something new. And it's not to show off, and if you feel that this video is going to offend you, I'm not showing off in any way, and this video is not sponsored. But if you feel like you're gonna get offended by seeing someone else's happiness, that they're getting something new, then go ahead and click out of this video, and then you could come back and watch some of my other ones, or if you just want to hate a little, go ahead and keep watching. So let's get started with my unboxing video. And don't forget, before I show you guys what it is, go ahead right now, stop what you're doing, stop munching on your chips, stop drinking your coffee, and hit the subscribe button, and also turn on your post notifications just so you know when another video is coming up. So we will go ahead and get started right now. I will show this part. I don't think it gives away, well, it kind of does give it away. So this is what I will be unboxing right now, and I will show you guys. Here it is. It's the Air Max 270s. I'm really excited to show you guys what is in the box, because it's a pair of shoes that I really wanted. I was eyeing them and I was waiting, and then I made a comment and I put it out there in the universe, and of course my Prince Charming charmed me again. I know that sounds cheesy, but here is the box, and we'll go ahead and show them off now. These are my Nike Air Max 270s, and these are a new color. I'm not really sure the color, or the oh, it says a coral color. It's a coral color. It's the coral color with hot pink, orange, and black. I love these, and even they have matching laces to the same color as the top of the shoe. And let me tell you that I tried these on at the store, and they're so cushioned. Now I see why my boyfriend really enjoys his Air Max, and of course he got a pair too, of course. Great minds think alike. So the funny part of these is that the day that mine were coming in, that I was gonna give him, his also came in, and I was freaking out because I'm like, I know I didn't order them with his name on it. It was just confusion, but it was kind of funny. But here, look, you guys can see, and then also the bottom, and then the other side. And of course they're brand new. I'll take the other one out as well so you guys can see. So great minds think alike, and we both ordered each other the same pair of shoes, which was really funny, and it was a nice surprise as well. So you guys can go ahead and take a look from all angles, and the back. I love these shoes. I feel like these are probably going to be my shoes that I'm going to be wearing all the time now, because I love them so much. I've been eyeing these, and I finally got them, and I wanted to wait and wear them until I showed them to you guys first. And now I can get them a little dirty, or I should say give them a little love by taking them out and wearing them and showing them off, because I love having nice tennis shoes that I can take pretty much for any occasion if I can, if I want to be comfy. So I will go ahead and sign out now and I will see you guys again in another video, in another unboxing, or just another video. So don't forget to stay tuned, and I will see you guys until next time. Bye guys.